everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am your beach presenter here in Koh Phangan. And today we are here in one of the beach here in Koh Phangan named Rin Nai Beach next to Haad Rin Beach. See, we're... Huh?
It's a beach this way.
This way?
Yeah, but I guess.
This way! Look! I saw the ocean. Woo, this is so cool. Look, I got them. Nah, the house. Why we don't have the operators that we will go here or there?
Lead the way. Many rocks here, huh?
Pool. Should I'm gonna do introduction. You don't. I'm not. So many trees.
Okay, let's go left then.
Here?
Look at this view.
Wow! Look over there. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am your beach presenter here in Koh Phangan. And today we are here in one of the beach here in Koh Phangan named Rin Nai Beach next to Haad Rin Beach. Let's go. So this is Rin Nai Rin Nai Beach. Oh, they have accommodation here, place where you can stay if you love staying by the beach. And there are a lot of trees here. This is the one noticeable in Rin Nai Beach. Everything is perfect here. Looks like a jungle. We are in the jungle because there are many rocks. We will go to the end, and of course you will not miss on watching the airplane flying from the airport. Yeah, airplane over there. See? Airplane. Wow, see? Finally we got the sunshine. Yeah, and there is no waves. Look at this. Not that strong. So it's perfect. Today is perfect time to cover. And over here, over there, there are some tourists. And here there are many luxurious beach resort. See?
Let's go to the end.
Okay, we will go there. I'm going to the lighthouse. Okay guys, so we are going to the everyone, we are going to the lighthouse. So it's lighthouse. Let's go. The sun disappeared. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to my viewers when the light, you know, the color of the beach is like this because of the sun. The sun is covered by the clouds. So here we go. Wow, okay, so the sun comes out again, thank God. So we have to continue to our journey. So it's really beautiful when there is sunshine, you know. We are waiting for a long time here, for a few days. It almost a week. Yeah, it almost 1 week tomorrow. Okay, let's just keep on. I don't know where is this goes, but I like this bridge. Woo! I like this bridge because of the amazing views, the view of the ocean, how beautiful it is. Okay, so I think this is the end of the, oh wow, look what I found. Someone's fishing here. Where's the sun? I'm not following him. I am not following, but I just want to see. Ooh. Lighthouse. Ooh. So there are some of the house here that it's not yet done. So the bridge leads to the lighthouse. thought there is. This is the Lighthouse restaurant. And here it's the, okay, let me get this photo. Okay. Woo! Water goes here. I'm gonna, wow. I think it's time for me to go back because my boyfriend will look at me. So the sun comes out. It's a new day dawning. It's time to sing your song again. Whatever may pass and whatever makes before me. It's in the evening time. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Oh, my soul. Oh, when I oh my soul. Wait, the sun just stopped. And look at this beautiful. I've been in the lighthouse. Okay, let's continue. Okay. We are so lucky that we have sun here in this side, because over there it's more on clouds.
But we're going there now.
Yeah, I hope that the clouds will disappear so that we will not worried about this anymore. Because we are covering the beautiful beach here in Koh Phangan. Koh Phangan? Yeah, Koh Phangan. Though there are lots of big rocks over there, not only here but over there are also many big rocks, but still it looks nice. Yeah, do you remember this one? That's poisonous poison. Wow, it's nice here.
The best here is when I look.
No, it's here.
Look at this, it's a